Introduction. A focus on learning. This course is not just about creating cool things, although you will create some awesome stuff. However, it is about going through the process of learning various techniques to reinforce them and to be able to apply them to your own creativity by exploring my tutorials, my creativity, my ability to create bespoke data visualizations. However, during this process, please keep the following in mind. Focus on learning techniques. This is the key takeaway. Question everything. If something doesn't make sense, ask a question. Never just accept. Do additional exercises. At the end of the course, there will be a list of additional exercises you can do. The main thing is to keep on doing. Repeat as well, there's no harm in that. And as I said, repetition is a good thing. You will use some of these techniques a dozen times throughout the course. This will help you reinforce your knowledge. Keep each lesson. Now that you've purchased the course, the lessons are yours. You could repeat the lessons in your own leisure as many times as you need. But the key thing is every time you do a lesson, practice it again and again and make sure you keep that lesson. Too often, a lot of people would go to a course and forget it the week afterwards. Do not do that. Keep this lesson. And the last step is Google is king. Tableau Magic, my website, we produce amazing bespoke data visualization tutorials. There are also many others. And what I'll suggest is to Google. If you have a question, Google. If you want to find a different chart type that's not in this course, Google it and see what you'll find. Because there are very few chart types out there that has not been done before. We are all treading on a well-worn path. So, Google everything. But like I said, the whole course, the whole learning experience, the main thing is to really focus on your individual learning. Learning at your own pace and learning to keep the knowledge. But we're almost there. We're almost at the end of the introduction. Just one more video to go. But I hope you're getting exciting and the tension and excitement is building up. See you in the next lesson.